Accelerate VI is a tech-based accelerator program located here in the Virgin Islands. We started Accelerate VI in 2019 to help founders as they tried to navigate the tough waters of starting a business and really growing and scaling it in the territory.
We knew that we were young in business and we needed help. So we applied to the AVI because it provided us a nurturing place where we could ask our questions and not feel embarrassed for not knowing what we didn't know. And so it's helped us grow into the company we are now. I feel way more comfortable as an entrepreneur in general because of the cultivation.
Initially, we were already doing telehealth, and I met with Eric and we talked about building our own platform and then really understanding like the ability to scale wouldn't be possible what we're doing in the same way versus if we built our own platform. And then we've just been building ever since.
Communicating with the other entrepreneurs and having everybody on the Zoom calls, everybody's doing the same thing, you know, trying to move their project forward. I find it an exciting space to work in. And they have given me guidance to where I could possibly launch my app in a couple of months.
The network, what they provided to us is what really helped us grow. So for us, this was the private sector was a whole new ballpark that we needed tools for. That's what the AVI really provided for us. Tools, a network of mentors that would be able to provide us with support, knowledge, that environment, that safe space for us to be able to grow and be able to really take our business to the next level.
I had a lot of goals. I think the great thing about AVI is that it really helped me to clearly define them. There's a smorgasbord of knowledge that you're being given, whether it be from a mentor or from one of the weekly workshops or a template or assignment that you may have to do. So I think just having that mentorship, having people, you know, pushing behind of you to push you outside your comfort zone to get some of these important things done, and also clearly defining what needs to get done, because you're getting invaluable information on what you need to do to start a successful business. I thought that would be really good for Lentil, and I thought that would be really good for me as an entrepreneur.
It's definitely made me more confident in my product. I always felt, or used to feel, nervous about it for whatever reason, but they give me the confidence to feel that it's a product that's worth being out there and that people should use.
AVI program has been fantastic. It has shown me that what I'm trying to accomplish is not only a pipe dream, but it's extremely, it's right in front of my face if I can follow the steps that they've laid out for me. They've surrounded me by incredible mentors, from angel investors to digital marketing experts, to people who have created fantastic businesses right here in our community. And so with being able to see that they have done it, it means that I can do it too.
I think AVI not only instills a tremendous amount of confidence in the founders, but it provides them with more of a systematic roadmap to show them how they can grow and scale their companies right here within the territory.
Right after we launched publicly, COVID hit. And we all know what happened with COVID. There was no events for like 2 years. Being an event software company, you know, we put our heads back down into the product for a while and made it through the other side. So I would say, you know, startups can be incredibly difficult. And so just keep your head down, keep focused on the dream, keep doing what you need to do, and get yourself into a program like AVI that can really help you with those resources to make sure you see it through.
So I would encourage anyone who has an idea or is working on an existing product to not hesitate to apply for Accelerate VI. Do not let fear hold you back from applying for this program. AVI was handcrafted with local Virgin Islanders in mind, and we think that you guys add as much value to this program as we strive to add to you.
So we're currently in our 5th cohort in spring of 2024. The 4 cohorts previously, we've had roughly 22 startups participate in those programs. With those 22 startups, we've seen them grow revenue by over $3 million and raise funding over $7 million. And for us, that's been a success. If you think about where we were before this program launched and where we are today, we've really transformed what it means to be a tech founder in the U.S. Virgin Islands.